Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to draw with chalk on paper. This will be a full tutorial for beginners, so let's get right into the video. As you can see, I have a sheet of construction paper right here. It's a sheet of green construction paper, and I have 3 pieces of chalk to use to demonstrate. Now, I'll be using the white piece of chalk, which is sort of like the standard piece of chalk that you'll find for chalkboards to start off the video. Now, essentially, you have a few options. If it's a fresh piece of chalk like this, as you can see, it's flat and it has a really aggressive edge over here. So you can use that edge to create just really sharp lines, as you can see right there. Okay, and if you want to create those sharp lines, you need something with an aggressive edge. But as the chalk is used more and you have more a less aggressive edge, you're going to get thicker lines, as you can see like that. So depending on the thickness of the line that you're looking for, that is essentially the type of edge that you'll need. In addition, if you use it flat, you can get a much thicker surface, as you can see right there. So those are the ways to draw sort of lines in different thicknesses. Okay, it's just like sort of, you know, you can choose a font on the computer. This is a different thickness of chalk line that you can draw with. Okay, sort of like when you use a photo editing app or a piece of software, you can choose the different thickness of line that you're drawing with. It's the same thing, but we're using a real piece of chalk. Okay, now when you draw with chalk, you can actually use your finger to spread it out. Okay, as you can see, I'm spreading it out like that. It's hard to tell right there, but I'll give you a really good example. Now, let's say I wanted to draw a snowflake. I could actually just draw like a star shape like that. So I could draw the star shape, and then I could use my finger to rub the star shape, and it would create a snowy effect around it. As you can see right there, I have the snowflake, and it just creates a snowy effect around it. It really looks more so like a snowflake, and obviously there's only so much that you can rub around with, right? But you can always add more chalk. So if I want to add more, I could just go again lightly, right? And I could just rub the new chalk that I put there, and it gets even more spread out. Okay. In addition, there are different colors of chalk that you can choose from, and if you have a chalk that has a flattened piece of side, as you can see, this has been used on the side, so it's nice and flat, you can actually draw a really thick line like that using the flat side. Something like this doesn't have as much of a flat side, but you can still get a pretty thick line, as you can see, and it all depends on the length of the chalk. If you have a really long piece of chalk with a really flat side on it, you can get a really thick line. So if I was to draw, let's say, a square, just like that, okay, I could color it in like this. I could shade it in like that. Very simply. I'm actually dragging the chalk down, lifting up, dragging the chalk down, lifting up, just like that. And then I could leave it like that, or I could sort of shade it in like that using my finger if I wanted to sort of have a fuzzy edge, or I could draw, let's say, a rectangle, and I could just take this chalk and drag it across like that and just really get some shading like that. If I wanted a really rough edge, I could just do it like that. That's basically it. That is essentially how to draw with chalk on paper, a full tutorial for beginners. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.